The name of the brand is Rebond, Molecular Hair Science, Miracle Bond Building Mask. It is a leave-in. Even though it's called a bond building mask, this is not a rinse-out product. There are 3 types of bonds in the hair, and each bond has a specific role in determining the hair's composition and strength. So those 3 types of bonds in the hair, ionic, which most people call salt bonds, you have hydrogen and you have disulfide. Most of you probably have heard of disulfide because when you do relaxers or you do any kind of thermal like rust anti-curl, perming, etc., you're really affecting the disulfide bonds. They're the strongest bonds, okay? But there are 3 bonds of the hair. So the salt bonds or the temporary bonds, they contribute to the strength and elasticity of the hair. Hydrogen bonds are the weakest bonds, and they're responsible for adjusting the hair shape, maintaining moisture and hydration. So as an example, if you ran a flat iron over the ends of your hair, you're affecting the hydrogen bonds. These are the weakest, and these are the ones that when you use a flat iron or you smooth the hair with a brush, you're affecting the hydrogen bonds for the most part. And then, of course, I just explained the disulfide bonds. These are the stronger permanent bonds that determine the hair's natural shape, stability, and texture. So even though when you're born, your DNA determines if you're going to have curly or straight hair, the disulfide bonds are the ones that really are found inside the hair structure that gives the hair its natural shape, stability, and or texture. So if you want to permanently straighten hair, you're going to affect the disulfide bonds more than all the others because the others are weaker. How Rebond plays into all this, as we use chemicals, as we go into the ocean, as we're in the sun, etc., all these factors can weaken or break the hair bonds. So I have a list of them here. Of course, there's more than 10. How do we repair these bonds? And this is where bond repair doesn't necessarily have to be in the salon. And we bring salon level repair straight to the comfort of the client's home. Clients benefit because they're able to repair, restore, and renew after they shampoo each time. I've been doing this a very long time. I've never seen so much response, positive response from distributors, from clients that we've given to sample this, to test it for us. I've never seen such excitement and response in all the years that I've been in this industry. What is our product? It is a Miracle Bond Building Mask. We have a revolutionary bond builder that utilizes a professional strength patented ingredient technology to repair, restore, and renew the internal bond structures of the hair. When I say professional strength, just because it is a retail product doesn't mean that we don't use full functioning levels of this bond repair technology. If you think about the Olaplex Step 1 or any of the other plexes in the industry that concentrate more on the back bar, those have full functioning percentages of active ingredient at a professional strength. When we partnered with the chemist, we said, look, this is going to be a retail product, but we want professional strength percentages of that active ingredient in the retail product. We don't want to cut corners. The other great thing about this product is it also prevents future damage. So even if a client's coming in and getting a chemical service, a color service, and they're using a bond builder agent, they're either adding it or there's many colors, many bleaches right now that have the bond builder added in, the Plex added in. The other part of this is that this also protects from future damage. Additional benefits. Because we're affecting the 3 bonds of the hair, we're reversing damage and aging. Noticeable results after the first use. The worse condition the hair is, the better you're going to see these instant results after the first use. This product strengthens, softens, smooths the hair. We have a patented bond technology, vegan and cruelty-free, which is huge now. Everybody's looking for these types of ingredients. And as I stated before, professional strength. We are not cutting corners. Our cost of goods of making this product is very, very high. We rather keep our overhead low and give you a product that really kicks butt in the market. It's for all hair types. This product is formulated to work on 100% human hair. So our technology is called FIBERENEW. You'll see this on the front of the bottle also. We have Miracle Bond Building Mask with FIBERENEW. FIBERENEW is our patented bond building technology. We mix this with a lot of other goodies, a lot of other ingredients. Why? Because the bond building technology is one thing, but we also have to moisturize, condition, hydrate the hair. And so on the outside of the box, you'll also see all these ingredients listed. Vegan-friendly, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. There are no animal byproducts in this product. Even the proteins we use, these are all vegetable-derived or plant-derived proteins. Half head with K18, half head with brand X, which was now to be known as Rebond. We said, we want you to test it half head, same exact process. do everything the same. We want the real feedback. And these were stylists with a diverse clientele. So we tested on all different types of hair, ethnic hair, bad hair, great hair, all different types of clientele. What we found from this testing, and of course, these 48 stylists tested on multiple people, about 30% of the feedback came back and said, you know what, we like K18 better. I said, okay. Approximately 30% came back and said, you know what, we prefer the Rebond. And then 40%, the leftover people said, you know what, we love them both. We think they work equally as well. We love them both, but we prefer your fragrance better. So we knew we had something really, really great here. And again, people prefer our fragrance. We're not here telling anybody K18 is a bad product. In some testing, they like the K18 better. I'm talking about the leave-in mask by K18, by the way. We have a real great product here, and we're so excited to share it with you guys. Our mission, obviously, create a product that's unique, has amazing bond repair technology, and it ultimately solves a problem for stylists and consumers. Again, solving the problem at home. Of course, the stylists are going to use it under station, but when the consumers go home, they're going to be able to repair, restore, and renew the hair at home. And then provide stylists and consumers with a product that works really, really quickly. This product is meant to be processed in the hair for 4 minutes. The most important part of this is very affordable pricing. This is the key, and we made a conscious effort to keep the price of this product down, even though the cost is very expensive to make. So obviously the 3 million pound gorilla in the room is K18. When you look at the cost of K18, which is really important for this presentation, they are $75 retail for 1.7 ounce. So if you do the math on that, that's $44.11 per ounce. Rebond, that's our product. Our leave-in mask is $44 for 3 ounces. So if you really compare us to the K18, which is really the only competitor in the space, we are 67% less expensive than K18. We're $14.66 an ounce. They are $44.11 per ounce.
One of the things in looking at this, we did talk to people that were current K18 users. And one of the things we found is that they were only using it once every 2 weeks because of the expense of it. When they looked at that little bottle and they realized they paid $75 for it, they weren't using it as frequently as they should so they could get the full benefit of it.
That K18 is so expensive, they put like a little pump in their hand and they're afraid to use it. It's like gold. So with ours, people can feel more comfortable to actually apply the right amount to the hair and really get the full benefit.